before I get into this video, remember to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.
BMW X4.
Yeah.
So you have some really cool features you can see from the back. The first one, you can keep in this trunk. It's pretty standard. So you can open, close the trunk inside. You have a tremendous amount of cargo space. Based on the silhouette of the car, no one really expects this much space inside. You even have extra space beneath here. You can also fold the second row forward for extra space if needed, and you have your privacy shade when you want to conceal your valuables. Nice little 12-volt port. It's for your grocery bags, so things will roll around. Your aluminum trim, so you can just throw the heavy stuff in there and it doesn't damage right here when you're done, as long as the key is on your person. Quick swipe in the center. Let me show you something really cool. I'm going to do that one more time.
Yeah.
Notice how it opens versus when it closes. When it opens, no pause, no warning. When it closes, pause and warning.
Oh. Yeah.
So I don't hear anything.
Right.
It's some guy down there playing music. Listen for 2 beeps. So you see that little pause?
Yeah.
That's just in case you do it by accident or anything. The car is telling you, like, everybody get away, kids, anyone like that, I'm about to close.
Yeah.
Now, very chiseled bumper, as you can see, all through the entire exterior due to the M Sport package, right? So you see all of these little things like scratchy plastic. Notice on all of it is pure glass. That's how all the X4s come.
Right.
You have the option to get the 20s. We now get red calipers from factory, which is quite cool.
Yeah.
All of them come standard with your run-flat tires, so you can grab your door handle to unlock the car. Any door handle, as you can see, as well as tap the door handle to lock the car.
Yeah.
You have the option to get the shadow line, the roof rails, or you can get them aluminum, something similar to this.
Right.
You have your shark fin antenna, panoramic sunroof. As standard, you also receive the BMW LEDs. Right, you have your 360 sensors. We'll reverse it out a little so you can get you have the kidney grill, fog lights, 360 sensors, mesh trims. Now the 20i and the 30i, a lot of people don't know this. They're both 2-liter engines, just different tuning.
Yeah.
So you can get the 2-liter 20i with 184 horsepower, 300 Newton meters of torque, or you can get the 30i, which is a 2-liter engine with 252 horsepower, 350 Newton meters of torque. Right? Stabilizer bars, so I can put it under some pressure, you won't feel the chassis vibrating. Right, nice. Now, you can copy. So, next sunroof extends all the way to the second row. You can also see the ambient lights in the second row. You have your twin AC vents, so triple zone climate control, right? 4 cup holders, curtain airbags, and you have your black headliner, which reduces like marks, scuffs, etc. Vanity lights are full LEDs. You have your powered seats with memory. Headlights are fully automatic. You can open your trunk as well as close your trunk, so if you have a little help, you can take advantage of the convenience. paddle shifts when you want to manually change your gears, and just like this weather comes in quite handy with your rain sensors. So have your volume controls, radio controls right in the center, Bluetooth to answer the client calls, and your voice command. So you press this button and you say call XYZ, check this, anything like that. You have your speed limit on your cruise control. You also have your door climate control, so you can set your temperature different from mine. It's a crystal clear taste for your reverse cam, your 360 sensors. So as I go forward, my sensors are telling me how close I am. If I put in full lock, I'm about to hit anything beside me. So it's showing me how close I am. So that's pretty cool, pretty safe, right? In case you're traveling with any valuables, and you have anyone else inside the car looking in the car, or you're leaving your car to go somewhere you want to leave your phone inside, just lock it up, or you can put it in here. Alright, so that's quite nice. LED lights help you navigate through your cargo with a Type-C USB port. So, alright, so the X4 is only coming all-wheel drive, which is nice, with stopping power, traction control, acceleration, etc. And the first feature I'm going to show you is the emergency brake in reverse. So that cone behind me, take my foot off the brake, see the damage. Like I can fit a whole foot in between.
Yeah.
It's pretty good, eh?
Yeah, very good. Easy auto hold, where I can take my foot off the brake after coming to a complete stop and just relax. When I'm ready to proceed, press the gas, good to go. So I'm going to park between these two cars right here, this X5 and this 3 Series. Alright, turn on my indicator, hold on this button, release, relax. Like, this whole space is full of so many M's. X5M, yeah. X5M, X5M, M5. It's M-Town, man. Behind you, X4M. Oh, for real?
Yeah. A lot of M's came in for service today.
I mean, it's a sign. Guys, should I get the M's?
Yes. we have 2 M's in the showroom right now. If you came earlier, we had 3.
Yeah. Which was the third one?
M440.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Which, it was a black one, right?
Yeah.
I knew it.
Oh yeah. So what I'm going to do? Show you the parallel parking behind this Prado.
Right.
So press this button, drive past the spot that I want. I have to pass it because the rear sensors have to pick it up as well. Here it is, indicator. It's my touch screen, so I can select it via touch. Hold down the button, release everything else, relax.
and this is the product owner. Boop. Parking complete, vehicle secured. Get out of this gentleman's way.
The cold start on that is really good.
Oh yeah. Oh, go on down here. You can get a taste of your ambient lights. You have a lot of colors to select. It's light now while waiting. I can just completely take my foot off the brake till I get a little clearance. This one is a 20i.
Okay. It feels smooth.
Yeah, very comfortable. A very heavy car. It sits down on the road. You really feel the road. That's a lot living in Jamaica.
Yeah, that's true.
You can feel the G-force every time it changes a gear. Come to a complete stop, turn the steering wheel and then press the gas again. And just go through whatever corner it is you want.
Yeah. And I don't really feel any bumps like that anymore. Like, this is really good. And this is in sport mode, right?
Yeah, so this is the most uncomfortable the car will ever feel.
So guys, imagine the comfort. If you want to stop by, come at ATL Autobahn in Kingston and contact Dorian Williams.
Oh yeah, man.
Link would be in the description. Make your next move your best move and make the rest of your life the best of your life. Peace.